Hey y'all, it's Aisha Girl and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to achieve the top knot bun. First, I'm going to start by straightening my hair. Now, I did end up going in with the hot comb and straightening out my roots because that's what you want to do first before you go in and start straightening your hair if you're natural. Now, all the products and tools that I use in this video, girl, is going to be listed below. So make sure you go to your beauty supply store and go get them. Also, in between clips, y'all gonna see me speeding it up and slowing it down, so make sure you watch and pay attention to all the details. Okay, so now I'm done finished straightening out my whole head. As you can see, girl, I know I need a trim, but we ain't gonna even worry about that right now. But you do want to make sure that you keep your ends trimmed in between all the protective styles so you can avoid split ends. Okay, so I'm not even gonna do too much of talking, girl. Like, everything is self-explanatory, but you're gonna part your hair down the middle, and then you don't want to part like too small or too big of a section for your bang, because you don't want to have too much. So with this, I'm going for a natural look, so I'm gonna do like a natural bang. Let's get naughty. Yeah, I need all, yeah. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's party out. Yeah, I need all. In doing ponytails, I always recommend people to do like a rough draft ponytail. And when I say rough draft ponytail, I mean like where you mold your hair and then you do your final ponytail, which will bring all the hair together. First things first, let me get that introduction. We are no longer to self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Okay, now I am about to start molding my ponytail with the Got to Be Free spray. And when you do this, you want to make sure you spray, brush, and blow dry as you go.
Close your eyes to get away. Just make my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Okay, now I'm done molding my ponytail. This is how your ponytail is supposed to look, nice and sleek. You will see me go back in and spray my hair just to give it a little hard Not too hard because you still want to have that flawless, soft look.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it, the pessimist gold medalist.
Now this might be the hard part for some, but it's not too hard. You just have to take your time. When doing these top knot buns, I use braiding hair. And when you do start with your top knot bun, you want to take a small section of hair and clip it out of the way, because we're going to use that last for it to be your base of your ponytail. And when you do your top knot buns, you want to make sure you twist and turn. Twist and turn. You just want to keep repeating the same step. And sometimes you may have to take it down a couple of times, but that's okay, because that's what we do. We keep trying until we get it right.
Flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
A claps.
Usually I would add track hair in between the bangs, but since I was going for more of a natural look, I didn't even worry about doing all that. But you can if you would want a more fuller look. I am pretty much done. The only thing I'm going to do is bump my ends, not too much. And after you bump your ends, make sure you spray your hair with some pink glosser for that finished shine, girl. And you is good to go. I hope this video was very helpful for you all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also comment on some styles that y'all want to see me do next. Thank you.
High volume, high volume.